Okay, so now we've gone through the basics and we have our program working so that when we click go, your actor will jump wherever your actor is supposed to according to what choice is, right? So choice now is at 3. When it changes to 2, jumps to 2. When it changes to 1, he jumps to 1. Perfect. He or she, whatever your object. But again, we want our actors to start in the middle and jump halfway towards each of these balls wherever the actor is. So before we talked about the math behind this. So if we want to make this character jump to these spots, it's easy. We just say wherever the character is, jump all the way here, this whole distance, right? But now say we just want to use half the distance. How would we make that look? Well, if we want to go half the distance, this is what it would look like. So if you remember from before, this is the same general equation, except now, instead of going from A all the way to B, so, say wherever the turtle starts all the way to one of the balls, we just go from where the turtle is to halfway there, right? So that ends up being just the average of where the turtle is currently and where it wants to go. So you're going to take the current position of the turtle, A, divide that by 2, and add that to where the turtle wants to go, whatever this ball is that he's going towards, and divide that by 2 as well. So this is the whole gist on making this happen. So let's try this out using some math now in Tinker. So over here we have the turtle, whenever the third ball is chosen, which is the orange one, he would jump all the way up to the orange ball, right? But now we don't want him to do that. We just want him to jump halfway towards that. So the way we can do that is we can click on this operator tool, and there's a dividing button right here. So we have this dividing and this addition pieces of code. So let's just try it for, and I'm going to take these 2 chunks out for a second just to show you that this is working, just for the case where we're jumping towards this orange ball. So if we do this code right, this guy here should jump halfway towards the orange ball. The way we would do this is, we know the orange ball is located at the position 176.41. So we know the equation that we want to eventually map is this here, where you take half of that, right? So half of where that ball is would be that 160 divided by 2. So let's type that in here. 176.41 divided by 2. Let's put that in here. And we also want to take the current Y position of where the turtle is, which we can do by clicking on the motion tab, going down here, and Y position here. So we want to move this character's Y position to half of where it is. Oh, and then we have to remember to divide this by 2 as well. Oops, almost forgot that part. So now this is just like the line of, this is just like the equation we had on the previous sheet, where your Y position is like your A. That's where you're starting. This is your B position, where you want to go. So you take B, divide that by 2, and add that to A divided by 2. So let's watch what happens if we put this in for the Y position now. So we click go. Whenever choice number 3 comes up, he should jump halfway up. Oh, and look, he's halfway again. And so every time that comes up, he's just going to keep going halfway towards this orange ball. Perfect. So now what we're going to do is we're going to apply this logic to the rest of our code and see what happens.